My name's Guy, and basically I'm the Director of Research and Development for Toy State International. And we ship globally all around the world, and we design from simple products as preschool items all the way up to larger items and even up to almost hobby grade of drones and RC cars. In our global meeting we decide which ones will be greenlit to go forward, and then from there we start doing 3D design and prototyping and then reviewing the prototypes, and then we show the samples to our customers, and then eventually they get tooled and then they go out shipping. We would outsource to subcontractors for all prototyping, 3D printing, and consequently the whole process was quite lengthy. It took a long time and we were wasting time by doing this, and also it is more expensive if you outsource. You can't use the same type of printer for every single project and expect the first sample you make to be perfectly working and fulfill the test parameters that you need. For something where weight is an issue and it's very small, very thin details, but it still has to be strong as well, we would prefer to use something like an FDM machine, and the F370 was a perfect match for us. And I was kind of knocked backwards on how simple it was. This was literally like walking up to a photocopier and pressing go. The fact that you can check on the status through your smartphone, you could plug in a USB key and upload a model, and you have a camera built into it that you can actually visually see the print as it's going along, and you could start and stop it, and it's very intuitive machine, very simple, very sleek design. And I think for drones, because we have a very strong line in drones, that's an obvious advantage because the materials are very close production quality plastic and it's still very strong and the detail is very fine. We plan to expand on our rapid prototyping capabilities so that literally you could train an entire model making workforce and have them be fluent in all types of 3D development, and then they can just walk up to their printer, plug in a USB key and then print something out. And this means we can save lots of time, save lots of money. Stratasys really looks after their customers, and I'm extremely grateful for that. And if we didn't have that support in place, we would have had extremely serious problems with our scheduling and development and providing sales samples to our customers. So thank you very much.